without me. Don't leave without me.
Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can basically copy Roblox's chat UI and make your own custom chat system. I am not sure if this is against the TOS still, but use it at your own risk. I'm not encouraging you guys to break the TOS, so yeah, but let's get into it. So basically what you want to do is pick a game, any game. If you don't have a game, go ahead and go on creations, my experiences, create experience. But since I'm going to use this test game right here, Untitled, I'm going to go over here, edit in Studio, and once Studio loads, it's going to open up the place. So what you want to do is when you first enter Studio, you're going to see all of these over here. If you don't have Explorer open, go ahead and make sure you're on the Home tab and click Explorer right here and turn it on. And you also want to make sure you have properties turned on, because we're going to be looking at the properties, okay? Next, you want to click on File, go down to Studio Settings, make sure it's on Studio, scroll down, and keep scrolling until you see the Explorer section. Once you're on Explorer, go down here, check this box, show hidden objects in Explorer, and click this, show core GUI in Explorer while playing. This is very important because if you don't enable this, whenever you join the game, you won't be able to see core GUI. So make sure both these are enabled. Now what you want to do is press the play button, and then you're going to see Roblox chat. See, it doesn't say similar age groups because we're in Studio, but when you play the actual game, then you'll start to see, similar age groups. So what you want to do is click this arrow right here next to core GUI, scroll down until you see experience chat. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to copy this, all right, because we're gonna paste it into the starter GUI. So go ahead and click on stop, go to starter GUI, right click and press paste into. So now, as you can see, it's up here in the top left. So we're making a clone of the chat. And now you're going to go ahead and click on play so you can get all the properties. So click on play, go into core GUI, scroll down to experience chat, open it up, go into app layout, open that up, click on chat window because we're going to be looking at chat window. Scroll down until you see transparency, background transparency. As you can see, the numbers are counting up because they have a script that slowly fades. See, it slowly fades as you let go of it. So this is so we can see the properties that are changing. Okay, so you want to look through all of this as you're hovering over it so you can see what is changing. As you can see, background transparency is going from 0.3 to 1. So 1 is transparent, 0 is completely opaque. So as you can see, we can also adjust it ourselves. As you can see, but their script is going to automatically keep changing it, so it doesn't even matter. So what you want is you want chat window, you want the chat bar. You're going to also do the background. We're going to do the border, so border is 0.8, everything else is 0.3, 0.2, 0.8. Chat container, This one doesn't really change much. But inside of that, you're gonna go text container, and we're gonna look at the background. Well, inside of that, you're gonna go in text box. No, text container. So it's in text container, and we're gonna, oh, go into here, go into text box. Where is it, bro? So yeah, just play around with it until you find it. I believe it's the entire container. I'm pretty sure. Or maybe it's, no, it's the background. That's what it is. It's the background. So you want to make sure you have background, and then you want to go in text box and change the text transparency. So where is it? Text. So you want to look at the transparency of the text. Here we go, text transparency. And you want to look at text stroke. So text stroke is 0.5. And same thing with the send button. Send button is going to be open it up, click on send icon. So it's under send icon 0.5. All right, so 0.5. So now that we have all of that, we're gonna go into Start GUI, Experience, App Layout, go to Chat Window. We're gonna set the background transparency to 0.8, 0.8. No, actually it's 0.3. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, let's test it. So you want to make sure you get it right, okay? Otherwise, it's not gonna match. So go into Experience Chat, App Layout, go to Chat Window, and the background transparency is 0.3. So 0.3. Yeah, so 0.3, and then let's see. So 0.3. And then you want to also change the bottom border to 0.3. So 0.3. The top border. Oh, why is it like that? No. So 0.3. I think I accidentally changed something. I don't know. Because it shouldn't be looking like this, chat. Maybe I did it wrong. But yeah, just make sure you look at it and check the actual. Oh, okay, so I did do it wrong. It's image. It's the image transparency. So I did it wrong. All right, so change this back to 1. 1. It's the image transparency. So go down until you look at image 0.3. There we go. Now it's matching. All right, 0.3. So they use images for their the top bar and the bottom. I mean, top border and bottom border. And then we're gonna turn on chat input. So we're gonna go in here, go to background, think it's 0.8. Point 0.2. Maybe it's 0.2. Let's try that. Let's see if it's 0.2. So we gotta do some testing. Experience chat. Going to here, go to background. Yeah, it's 0.2. Order is 0.8. All right, so 0.8, 0.5. All right. So we're almost done with it. So go into here, go into background, make sure it's on 0.8. Oh, it's not 0.8, it's 0.2. This is 0.8. So border 8. So we're basically remaking the we're remaking the UI. Okay. So 0.5, 0.5. And then we're gonna go into here, 0.5. As you can see, we just finished a chat. And now chat window. Bro, I like how they did this. They they literally put an ID for each message that gets sent. So if I do this, if I clone this, no, it doesn't do it. I think I have to clone this. Yeah, so every chat message it clones this, okay? So we can basically make our own chat. So if I do this, I can scroll. All right, and I think they turn on the scroll bar if there's more than a certain amount. So yeah, let me see something. So if we go into core GUI, experience chat, and we go into app layout, and we go to chat window, wait, scrolling view, and if we look at this and we go down to a scrolling bar, so yeah, so that's basically what it does. It puts it transparent. So once you hover over it, it makes it so you can see it. Now, I think, yeah, so on hover, it shows the thing. All right, so if we test this out, chat window, so if you hover over the scrolling UI, it makes the scroll bar image 0. All right, so if we do that, 0. But I can't see it for some reason. Yeah, I can't see it. Why can't I see it? Oh, it's because there's not enough messages. Okay, so if I duplicate this and I set the transparency to 0, then I can see it. Okay. Now I wanna test something else. So now that you guys know how this works, you guys can make your own custom chat system. But let me test something. So we go in here and we go into a chat window and we go to scrolling view and we go into this. I want to see something. So it makes some kind of custom ID. So it has your user ID. All right, so it has a player's user ID and it makes some random chat ID. Okay. So now we have a prefix text. So they basically turn text message button into a button. So you can basically click their name, and I think it does some kind of like private message thing. So we have a prefix text and a body text for user to user message. So we can basically copy this, or we can make our own. But yeah, that's pretty much how this system works. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. You guys can literally make your own chat system in Roblox. They do have the report button, um, which let me get into that real quick. So this report button, you can turn it on if we go into here and go into here, and then you go to chat window and go to top banner dot menu. Um, so it has a transparency apparently. Um, let's see. I'm trying to find the correct. Oh, text transparency is 0. So it sets it to 0. So it goes from 1 to 0. So yeah, and then when you hover background, all right. I gotta somehow click on it. So I don't know how to fool it to think that I'm still hovering over it. But yeah, there's a hover background, and then they add this context menu. Clipping frame, do. So yeah, they have this context menu that pops up as soon as you click on it. But yeah, we don't need the report system because they don't give us access to that. But anyways, that is how you do the chat. Make your own custom chat in Roblox. And yeah, I hope to see you guys later. Peace.